Well, since the beginning of the year, Myrtle Beach and the surrounding beaches have undergone some major demolitions, additions, and changes, as well as some natural events that continue to shape our coast. Stay tuned as we show you the top things that happened here at the beach for the past year 2023. What's happening, everybody? It's Beachin with the Boones, and now that you know who we are, let's take a look back at some of the major events and changes that happened around the beach this past year. First of all, we want to zero in on one of the most known events that was countrywide. That's right, the Chinese spy balloon. Who could forget that? This floating contraption traversed the entire country and made its way over our sandy beaches, only to be shot down just off the coast of Myrtle Beach. Another event that's closer to home was the Boardwalk Beach Resort being demolished. This large building was among several in the resort that sat right on Ocean Boulevard, and was a favorite to many who vacationed here for years. Word on the street is they're going to remove several more of these buildings that are in the resort as well. But we'll see. One natural event was the Superstorm that came through Myrtle Beach and Surfside Beach. This storm came out of nowhere and made its way along the beach, pulverizing many buildings and trees in the area.
It sure is. You can barely see in front of it. Ooh. People are stopping on the side of the road.
And as fast as it came, it was gone.
Well, see there? I told you. They come up fast and go away quick. So if it does start raining on your vacation, don't get upset. It's only for a little while.
It seemed to be a wetter season this year, as you can see this past rainy Memorial Day weekend. Usually it's packed with vacationers, bikers, and more. But as you can see from this ride down, it was void of many people that usually line and walk the streets. One positive natural phenomenon was the tropical waters that began appearing off the coast of the Grand Strand this past summer. The month-long turquoise water event was due to lesser storms out in the ocean, which made you feel as if you were in the Caribbean. Another event that took place in the waves of Myrtle Beach was the plane crash. This was one of the advertising planes you see flying overhead as you sit on the beach. Luckily, no one was hurt, and it turned out that some beachgoers rushed to the aid of the pilot after it hit the water. This footage is from our friends, the Smoky Mountain family, from their Beach Edition channel. Go check out their channel when you get a chance. And then there was the realization that Wild Water and Wheels Water Park was being demolished. This was a favorite for many kids, who eventually grew up and took kids of their own. This 11-acre property that sat in the center of Surfside Beach was the second largest water park on the Grand Strand. On any given day in the summer, you could ride by and see hundreds of kids splashing around and having fun. And like the Boardwalk Beach Resort that was mentioned earlier, they demolished Nathan's Famous Hot Dogs and Scoop's ice cream building. This was located across the street from where the old Pavilion amusement park sat on 8th Avenue. This was a staple for many people when they got down here to Myrtle Beach. Now they'll have to walk to Peach's Corner to get a hot dog, I suppose. And lastly is the ongoing renovation / construction of two favorite piers along the Grand Strand. The Surfside Beach Pier and the Cherry Grove Fishing Pier in North Myrtle Beach. Both have been under construction for a number of years now due to the storms and hurricanes. And beachgoers have been waiting in anticipation for what seems like forever. But the light at the end of the tunnel, or pier I should say, is that both may be up and running as normal by the first of the year. Or hopefully not too long after that. Let's keep our fingers crossed and always hope for the best. That's a look at the top things that happened around Myrtle Beach for 2023. We hope 2024 will be brighter for everyone out there when you come to Myrtle Beach or the surrounding beaches. If you found this video helpful, hit the thumbs up and show the love. And we hope you subscribe to our channel because it is free and it helps us promote more videos. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep beaching.